Hi again. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your video player sticky, meaning it stays visible as users scroll down your page. This is perfect for long-form content, tutorials, or any video you want users to keep watching without losing sight of it. Let's get started. First, we'll install the plugin. Open your Bubble application. On the left side, click on Plugins, then click Add Plugins. In the search bar, type Video Player Pro, then select and install the Video Player Pro plugin by zeroqode. After installing, it will be available in your plugin list. Now let's move over to the Design tab. Step 1. Add the video player. Search and drag the new video player element onto your page. Then set your video source. This can be a static MP4 link or dynamic data from your database. Step 2. Enable the sticky player. In the plugin properties, turn on Enable Sticky Player. This activates the feature where the video moves into a smaller floating player when it scrolls out of view. Now let's understand how the sticky player behaves. There are a few important things to know. The player is fixed to the bottom right corner of the browser. No other positions are supported. It only activates when the video is playing and scrolls out of view. It returns to its original position when the user scrolls back, pauses the video, or when the video ends. Also, customization is limited. You can't change the size, position, close button, or advanced mobile behavior. And keep in mind that browser and device differences may affect how it behaves. You can also enable autoplay if needed, usually with mute for better compatibility. This helps the sticky behavior activate properly while the video is playing. Now preview your app. Play the video, then scroll down the page. You'll see the video dock to the bottom right corner, staying visible as you scroll. When you scroll back up or pause the video, it returns to its original position. And that's it. You now have a sticky video player that keeps your content in view and improves user engagement. Just remember, the bottom right fixed position is the only supported behavior. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via the chatbot on the zeroqode website or by email at support@zeroqode.com.